Hello everyone, the Kawasaki Versys H2 Grand Tour with a supercharged engine is exciting, and it makes sense for Kawasaki to bring this technology to other models in its lineup. Supercharged engines offer several advantages, including greater power, better fuel economy, and smoother power delivery. And currently rumors have been circulating. And what are the specifications of this Versys H2? And let's discuss them. Motorrad Media revealed the new level Versys 1000 H2. Kawasaki has the drivetrain right with the unique 1000 supercharged engine powering the H2 model. The design of this motorbike was implemented by designer Karlee. The drivetrain was taken from the ZH2, and the Ninja A2 drives the Versys H2 with 200 HP at 11,000 RPM. More power of 80 HP required a new chassis, and Karlee adopted it in the spirit of the H2 sex in a single-sided swing arm. Motorally and visually is a surprise for touring fans. The original Versys 1000 offers the best wind and weather protection and comfortable seating. However, it always seems like the load on the tires is too heavy, as if the wheel height doesn't reach 17 inches, 43.18. The Karlee design fairing is slimmer in the right places, not extending beyond the front fork, hugging the motorcycle more tightly and giving the Kawasaki Versys H2 a sportier touch with a new front spoiler. The lights are better integrated into the plastic shell based on the ZX4 RAR and ZX6R. Alternatively, a sportier look at LA, the ZX10R will be available in a direct response to the M1000XR and multi-Rs, but then without an engine cover, but with cornering lights at radiator level. This combination on the Kawasaki Versys H2 seems so promising and obvious that even at Akashi, they don't need to hesitate to apply it. And once again, just in case, the concept presented here is Motorrad's idea of what the Kawasaki Versys H2 could look like. There is no evidence of such a model. So that's our review for today. See you in the next video.